Hey y'all, thanks for coming back to watch another cleaning video. It has been a while, but this house needs it, so we're about to get to it. I hope you guys like and subscribe. We are at a goal of 1,000 subscribers by the end of summer. So if you can help me out with that, I will be eternally grateful. And I hope this gives you the most cleaning motivation. I hope y'all have a good day. So I don't always start in my bedroom cleaning, but on this particular day, there were crumbs on my floor because my littlest one had ate crackers and just dumped them on the floor for some reason. So I really wanted to get to that before it got tracked everywhere else in the house. And plus, our bedroom really just had clutter sitting around, so we had to get rid of some of that stuff. Guys, I took a short break. I showered, tanned, got clothes on, did all the things. And now we're in the living room. So let's get to it. Let's do it. What do you want to do? Here. Number one, take this to your room. Put them wherever they go. Here, wait, there's more. Put that to your room. I know this is your room. What? Serge. This goes in your room.
Oh my gosh. Can I just come back for some more?
Yeah, there you go. Go ahead. Thankful I have kids at this moment. I truly do think it is so sweet when Tanner or Bo want to come and help me clean or do anything with me. But most of the time at this point, Tanner doesn't want to do it just to help me or to have fun. He wants to do it because he is procrastinating doing something that he's supposed to be doing. But I still take it when I can get it, and I'm very thankful for the time that we get to spend together doing really anything. So my kids, especially Tanner Joe, the oldest, he loves inflatables. And that is what you see me kind of packing up, rolling up in the living room. But now we are on to the dining room, and you won't see it in this video, but there's 2 bags over there on that table. I do end up taking them and going through them, putting them up, and it looks so much better in here. And we're about to move on to the kitchen now. This kitchen has just got to the point where we were setting everything in here. I just needed to pick it up and really just do the floors. You didn't also see that I mopped the whole house, thankfully. That is one thing that definitely helps my house stay smelling good is the mopping. And I don't love mopping at all, but I do love vacuuming, and that just gives me the motivation to get it all done. One of the reasons my kitchen stays cluttered on the floor is that every time I get out of my car, I try my best to keep it clean. So I bring everything inside, and just the first thing I do is sit it on the table or the kitchen floor. So my table is messy, the kitchen floor is messy, and then I have to go through and fix all that stuff. So it's one or the other. Either my car is going to be kept clean or my house is going to be a little cleaner. So I've been choosing my car lately, and it's just really depending on the day which one I choose. If y'all made it this far, thank you so much for stopping by. We do love any engagement, any likes, subscribes. Just come back and see us at another video. Bye, friends.